did she even get on the ship?
Ah! What the?
What are you?
I want to know what's going on.
Gentlemen, we have a new course. We're going to Tartarus.
Huh? What happened to Fiji? What, no fun? No beaches?
Rat.
Sorry, Captain. But did you say Tartarus?
That's right.
Will that be the same Tartarus from which no sailor ever returns? The Tartarus of lost souls, where they grind your bones and pickle your spleen and...
No, Rat. This is the nice Tartarus. With lots of beaches and drinks. You know, with little umbrellas.
She was so great. She was so great.
I'm only doing this for the money.
Right. So how do we get there?
That star's our point.
Tomorrow?
A cave.